Welcome to the Learning Fun Zone, a place where curiosity meets knowledge and fun. Today we dive into the fascinating world of programming. Now don't worry, we are not talking about the TV kind, no, we're talking about something way cooler, computer programming. Have you ever wondered how your favorite video games work, or how websites like Google and YouTube function? Well, the answer lies in programming. It's like a secret language that helps us communicate with computers and tell them what to do. So, what's the best way to teach kids programming? Well, it's to make it as fun and engaging as possible. Think of it like learning a new game. When you first start, you might not know all the rules, but as you play more, you learn and get better. Programming is just like that. A great way to start is with visual programming languages. These are special kinds of programs where you can drag and drop blocks to create your own computer programs. It's kind of like building with digital Lego blocks. Some popular ones are Scratch and Blockly. These platforms make programming fun and easy to understand. You can create animations, design games, and even program robots. And the best part? You get to see the fruits of your labor immediately. Made a mistake? No problem. You can easily fix it and learn from it. Another fantastic way to learn programming is through coding games. Yes, you heard that right, games. There are many games out there designed to teach programming in a fun and interactive way. Some examples include Code Combat and Lightbot. As you play these games, you learn important programming concepts without even realizing it. Of course, learning programming also requires practice. Just like how you can't become a soccer star overnight, you can't become a programming whiz without some effort. But don't worry, the more you practice, the better you'll get, and the more fun it'll become. And remember, it's okay to ask for help. The world of programming is big and sometimes confusing. But don't be afraid to reach out to others when you're stuck. You'll find that many programmers love to share their knowledge and will be more than happy to help. Alright, it's time to wrap things up here in the Learning Fun Zone. But before we go, how about a little programming joke to lighten the mood? Why don't programmers like nature? Because it has too many bugs. Thank you for joining us today in the Learning Fun Zone. Remember, learning is a journey, not a destination. So keep exploring, keep asking questions, and most importantly, keep having fun. Until next time, happy coding!